Welcome to YouTube. YouTube is a website where you can watch videos, share videos, and find videos about anything. Do you like cats? There are cat videos. Do you like to cook? There are cooking videos. You can learn new things on YouTube, and you can share your ideas too. To do all this, you need a YouTube account. Don't worry, it's easy. Let's learn how to make one. It's like opening a door to a world of videos. Are you ready? Let's go. First, go to the YouTube website. You can type youtube.com into your web browser. You will see the YouTube logo. It is a red and white play button. Now look for a button that says Sign In. Click it. If you have a Google account, you can use it to sign into YouTube. If you don't, you can create one. It's free. To create a Google account, click Create Account. You will need to give some information like your name and email address. Choose a password you will remember. You have a YouTube account. Now you can make it your own. Click on your profile picture. It's a circle in the top right corner. You can choose a picture for your profile. This helps people know it's you. You can also choose a name for your channel. Your channel is like your own space on YouTube. You can decide who can see your videos. You can make them public or private. Congratulations! You are ready to use YouTube. Watch videos, subscribe to channels you like, leave comments, and start making your own videos. Share your ideas with the world. Maybe you'll make a video about your cat. Maybe you'll teach people how to cook. What will you share?